Hello! So it is Christmas week. So I'm going to use these 4 clips. They are all from the Felty Depot, but I just love the little Christmas lights on them. So even though they don't quite match my kit, I'm going to use them anyway because I love the Christmas lights. And then the kit I am using this week is Pastel Christmas by Brianna Nicole Designz. I do PR for her and she is running a sale right now. So we'll just kind of flip through it. Her kits are very large. You can get several layouts out of them. And we'll see what all I use because I may not use all of this. I've got a couple different things going on this week. So we'll see what's going. And then I have all these functional icons. They are also by Brianna Nicole Designz. But, I mean, there's so many in the kit, I may not need a lot of these. But they're Christmassy, but the ones I don't use, I'll put up till next year. So laundry, crafty, planning. And I'm just doing one spread this week because, you know, I have stuff to do, but it's not all stuff that I need to do like crazy. It's not like work because I am off work because it is Christmas shutdown. So I do have all of these. You know, just all the stuff that I use to get through my week. Relaxing, saving money, doing my hair, monthly budget. I do get paid this week. And then I'll put my video stuff in here. I do have a few different bills to pay. I do have a doctor thing this week, and there's all my YouTube icons and my Instagram, post to social media. And then by 3 Tiny Bows, I have these super cute Christmas stickers. I do PR for her. The code is TTB Vanessa to save 20%. And I have some baking and shopping and stuff to do, so I was going to use these pretty girls too. So that is what I have. The links and everything will be down below for these 2 shops. And let's go ahead and get started with the kit. So we'll start with the days of the week. I guess I have to look through here real quick to see if there was numbers or if I just missed them. Alright, so we'll just write the numbers in. And that is okay. So we'll use a pretty pink. All right. So we'll continue with the days of the week. A lot of stuff going on. Matter of fact, it is Monday, Christmas Eve, the day I'm planning, because I was busy yesterday. Had family dinner at my sister's. My nephews opened gifts. This kit is super cute. I got the full washi on. Put him right up there. Put the little this week in. And there are glitter headers, so we already know I'm going to use them. And these are not your traditional Christmas colors, but they are colors that I like, because I'm a huge fan of pink. And my second favorite color is actually green, which goes very well with my first favorite color, pink. I'm going to put this pretty purple on here. I love watching little, excuse me, little kids open gifts. I really miss that now that mine are older. I mean, all my kids are adults, and I don't have any grandchildren yet. I'm sure someday I will. I'm not going to rush my kids or bug them about having kids, because I fully believe if you're not ready to have kids or don't want kids, don't have them. Because it is the hardest job you will ever love. And that's just the truth of it. Someday, when it's all said and done and it's time for me to be a grandma, I'm sure I will be a grandma. Until then, I will be just happy being a mom. And I don't think I'm going to use checklists this week. I might use some more of that. So I'll pull out some things that are probably, I do need that one and that one. So let's pull out some of these sheets that I probably won't use. We'll go ahead and put in the stuff that we are using. So of course this one is December 25th. I think I'll stagger them, just cause. Now, I won't take my tree down until the 1st. And then I'll have a few other holiday things to do. Alright, so there's that. Oh, sorry about my phone going off. It should quit here shortly. So let's do, wow, that's a long ringtone. And it's clear in the other room, so I don't have any rights to that music at all. I will answer the phone when I get around to it. So I've got the dinners. And we'll do little things. And then the daily habits. And I do use 3 trackers. So we'll put those in. Then we got some of these pretty little boxes here. So we use this cute little box with the slippers to fill in some space. So we'll open this up and see what we got. So that's my spread so far. So I will put my weekend in. December 25th, and we'll do a little decorating here. It is now winter. I don't care much for winter. I do love little snowmen though. Alright, so let's look at these chores. So I did do some shopping. We will get together and open gifts tomorrow with the kiddos. And I did a lot of cleaning today. I did get paid Thursday. And I do have bills I will pay Thursday. And I have an appointment Wednesday. And I have an appointment Thursday. So I'm kind of not sure what the end part of my week will be like. But tomorrow I want to get up and vacuum. Sunday is trash day. Friday will be a relax and chill day. Alright, I think that's all I want from there. So let's look at these. And so I do always do laundry. I did get some baking done today. So let's get my Christmas countdown out here. And of course, I can't find it. There it is. So let's put in our Christmas countdown. Get that all in. And I love that these are bright and that they stand out just a little bit. That is okay. This means they look really cute. And I like this. Oh dear, Christmas is here. We'll be opening gifts. We'll use this nice coffee mug for Monday because I will drink me a lot of coffee. And I don't think we're expecting any snow. I sure hope not, because I don't like snow. But I do think that little girl is cute. I'll put that. And then since I am putting everything in here, Monday will be my post to social media day. And my record day. And my YouTube day. That. Put the little brighter dollar sign there. Some bills I need to pay. Use those. It is a very busy day. I probably won't do the monthly budget. Wednesday I'll do my hair. And I always put some money in savings on payday. A couple of these little pill bottles. Keep track of my pills. Did the one-day dishes. Probably do dishes again Wednesday. Saturday is always my personal chores. I got that cute one for Monday. Merry Christmas. Put a few more little Christmas decorations up. I've been saving this little Santa just for that. When he slides down the chimney. Don't think I need gas. Don't know. We'll see how I do the movies this week. On Wednesday I did want to change all my sheets. I did get some Happy Mail today. I'm going to make new covers for my couch. Alrighty. I think that is my spread for the week. So we'll go ahead and put all these clips on. And thank you for watching. And you know, I update stuff as I go along. Like I said, I'm not sure what the weekend will bring, but there it is. You have a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, or be joyful in whatever holiday you celebrate. And I will talk to you later. Bye.